Yep. Good. I'll do that one. Okay. Cool. Okay. Yes, this has the right bits. I think. Maybe not. Hey, Joel! Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Of course. Searching a lot out. Hey, Half Living. Alright. Sorry about the frame rate of this camera. Yeah, it's just, it's running through the internet, so... Hey, Meshi. How are you? And how are you, Half Living? Yeah, I know, finally. Only, what, 2 hours late? Or 2 hours after I said I'd start? That's good. There. Wrong. I would have done this earlier, but it was This phone here, this camera, well, it's a phone that I'm using as a camera, was giving me a heat warning. So, yeah. Okay, that one is actually broken. Callisto Protocol game isn't looking too good. It's not that hot.
Ollie, can I ask you a question?
What? Well, you just did.
Would you be fine with Phoenix going outside with you?
Yes, that's why I left the door open.
Okay, thank you. Also, are
Um,
you recording this? Or are you streaming it?
Streaming.
Okay.
Yeah, it got to 24. It's currently 23, according to my watch. Okay, that's... Do I have any pliers? No. Great. Hey, Joel? Could you find some pliers for me, please? Needle nose, preferably.
Where would they be?
I don't know.
Probably not. Unless you've got some.
I've got some somewhere. Yeah, I'm not wearing my jacket right now. I just got home from a walk. I went on that walk because I started downloading a game and it said it would take 2.5 hours to download. That was a fair while ago. But I have streamed without a jacket before. No. Okay, this bit is broken. Pretty badly too. Actually, if you could find me another driver set that isn't the one on my bed, Joel. Precision driver set.
I said this earlier before I grabbed you
Okay.
your bag and your jacket.
I didn't ask you to grab either of them.
It's just that I don't want to.
No, neither of them have
Okay.
pliers. What's wrong with the laptop? The battery is not connected to the motherboard anymore. How did that happen? It was likely dropped. Pretty badly too, I'd suspect. Try this in the meantime, and okay. It'll be good when you return, half living. Nope, it's too big.
Hey, oh, you know when you reach level 10 on Steam, it actually makes it so then there's a thing that allows you to show your...
That was the one on my bed.
This wasn't the one on your bed.
That was the one on my bed.
Yes.
I said not that one.
Okay, so, Ollie, can I please finish what I was saying?
Sure.
Okay, so in Steam, when you reach level 10, you're able to press a button which makes it so then you can see your rarest achievements immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I think I'm...
Tristan can see his. He's level 10.
Uh-huh. And I'm pretty sure I have a higher level than him.
No, you're level 8.
Okay.
At least I think it's level
Hmm.
10.
Younger brothers. Oh. Huh? Huh? That's running better now. I don't know what it was buzzing about. It'd be a notification, but yep, it'd be a notification. Hey, Feeny. Yep, yep. Yep. Oh. Well, using the wrong bit is working better. Okay. It's fine. I was able to do it with another bit. Fortunately for you.
Okay. Thanks, but I've already started. I'm using a different computer.
Yeah, so?
I was just you. The cat was sniffing a stick, and
Okay.
it was funny
Okay. Cool.
because
But Joel, while people may come here for the cat, they also come here for me. Since I'm on the stream a lot more than that cat is.
yeah, but I think you'd get more if it was just a cat stream. No offense, it's just Phoenix is so good,
I don't know. He's not very talkative.
and you can watch him running around, jumping, doing. This,
Yeah,
that,
but
and
he's
the
also
other.
pretty boring.
He can be when he's asleep. So while he's asleep.
He can also be very annoying.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like you are being right now.
What?
This is the second thing of his that I've fixed on stream.
What was the first?
Your phone.
Which one?
Your
Oh,
current
the
one.
battery.
Yeah.
Oh, and both of them it's to do with the battery.
Yes, both of them are relating to the battery.
Yep. I'm fine.
Didn't ask.
It's just like to say certain things when you make noise like that. I just missed the chair.
Oh yeah, George's account has been reactivated, so that's good.
George?
Don't worry, Joel. You don't know him,
Okay.
and I doubt you ever will.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, after your stream is done,
Mm?
I'd like to show you something.
Okay.
We'll also be showing it to. It'll be a family meeting.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Maybe not with Kristen. He might be too unwell.
Right.
But with everybody else.
Have you got any younger brothers, Meshi? Two sisters and two brothers. Oh, that sounds like pain. That sounds like pain. Well, I'm gonna have to strip these wires the harder way. Yeah. Yeah. I know Half Living is in a similar sort of situation with that, with their siblings. Well, with the number, I should say. At least I think.
Hey, Ollie, do you like fire?
If it gets you to shut up,
No, an answer would get me to shut up.
well, you got your answer. I like it if it gets you to shut up.
Honest answer.
That is very honest.
To the freaking question.
It
Proper
is.
answer.
There you go.
A yes or no.
Sure,
No.
I guess.
Oh, bye.
Good riddance. Well, I think I've just lost which wire goes where. I know where one of them goes, but I don't know about the rest. I think got them though. No. No, I don't. Wait. So the three thin ones are in the middle. Cool. I need to get my multimeter out. Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be useful.
Pardon?
That's not why. It's because they bunched up.
Are you gonna say something?
Yeah, could you also get me a diagram of the battery output on a MacBook Air mid 2017?
No, I can't. But also, are you gonna say anything else?
Nah.
Wow.
That's
so
good that you've got your account back, George. I did comment on that a
Ollie
bit earlier.
is being so polite that he's not saying thank you.
Yes. That is Joel. And he doesn't want to be on stream, but apparently he does. I don't know.
I don't want to be on screen, but I would like you to say thank you.
Okay. If you get me the pin out, I might be able to.
What?
Pin out.
I don't even know what that is.
It'll show you... It shows you what pin does what.
I don't know where I find that.
Online somewhere. Actually, probably not, considering it's Apple.
Yep. Okay. Do you think
I'm
that
doing
Apple will
something
take it
for
down?
him. I'm saying I'm doing this for him.
Yes,
No.
except I didn't ask for you to do this.
Yes, you did actually.
Well, okay, no, I
You
didn't.
did ask for me to fix it.
Yes, but then I believe I did say never mind.
No,
I didn't?
no.
Well, it's been
Yay,
just
Phoenix.
that long that I didn't think that you would... That I just didn't think you would be done, and I've moved on from that computer.
Fine, since chat's guilting me into it. Thank you.
No.
I kind of, yeah. I'm glad that was caught on camera. What is that cat doing? Come on, Feeny. Yeah, cat stuff.
Oh, thanks, Jack. I'm thanking Jack for, you know,
Yeah, they can't hear you.
can you tell them that I'm thanking them?
Yeah, I could. But I might. Or you could come over here and say it to them directly yourself.
But I don't want to be on stream.
Yeah,
So-
but if you're thanking people, you should
Okay.
at least be seen.
Okay, hi, thank you, for guilting Ollie into, saying thank you. Oh, also, did you like, what's the camera?
There's
the web-
one there, and
Okay.
there's one there.
So do you like the shirt,
He's 17.
that is true. Then, why, what are they saying? Did they
Nothing.
say cute brother? They said
Shoo.
cute brother?
Shoo. You can find out what might have been said, or might not, if you go to twitch.tv/scuffedin minor.
Ollie, I'm sorry, but I'm not going on to it.
Well, it's worth a try to get a bit more ad revenue.
No. Why I'm not going on to it is because while you are uploading, while you are doing
No.
no, you're watching
no.
it while after streaming it.
I'm watching it on my data. Yes, to monitor to make sure that the stream doesn't crash.
Okay.
So, this computer is not going to work unless it's plugged into the PowerPoint anymore.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Wait, it will never work unless
Unless you get a new battery, yeah.
I thought it would be a new battery cable.
A new battery.
Oh. Yes, you get a new battery. Okay, well, thanks for trying anyway.
Oh well, you didn't get to see me solder. Maybe sometime again, maybe sometime in the future I will be. Because, oh, he's floating over internet. Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
But shouldn't they already know that I'm 17? I mean,
No.
I've been on stream before.
Yes. You were on stream last year.
Yeah.
No one who's in chat right now was in chat. It was around here.
Oh,
When you were
that's
last
good to know that
on
you've got some
stream.
new people.
Yeah, we do. You know, he expected that he would become a mod. He was when we first. Yeah, you did. If you go back to the early streams, you can see he says in chat. So when am I getting mod or something along those lines? We give it to him.
And I did nothing with the power.
Yeah, but you also didn't show up either.
Yeah, is that, like, I did nothing!
Yeah, exactly. You did nothing at all.
Exactly, that's exactly what mods should do.
No, you should at least
Unless
show
they
up.
have to do something. They should do nothing unless they have to do something.
No, you should at least be showing up. You have a responsibility.
I see you've got a point there.
I mean, you don't have to show up if you're a mod, but
also,
it's still
it's just...
polite, especially if you demand to become a mod.
I did not demand.
Yeah, you did.
Did I?
Yeah.
What did I say?
I forget exactly what it was. I don't go back and watch VODs
Did
and
I say,
the YouTube
make
stuff.
me mod?
I think so, yeah.
Or did I say, could I be mod? Did I say,
Eh.
when will I be mod? Because
I think you
the last
said-
two are not demanding.
I think yeah, when will I be mod is. It's demanding that you get made mod.
First, it's a question. You
Yes.
can't literally say never.
Yes, but there is an expectation behind the question that you will be getting mate mod.
Yes. But you could still say never.
Yes. Okay.
So,
Have fun, George.
okay, maybe actually
Hey, Dante.
finish, cooking. We'll do the family meeting.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I know I'm muted. Yes, this is tech stuff, Dante.
And also, we actually put in a limit. We're saying a limit at the end, so you're not allowed to stream, do a big stream beyond a certain time. You're allowed to do small streams in your room. By small streams, I mean like they can be any length. They just can't have friends over, and they have to be in your room. If you want to get warned about if you're gonna have friends over, you can.
Yeah. Get Tristan to do that first, and consistently.
The D&D we do tell you about.
Yes, but otherwise he doesn't.
Yeah, okay, I'll get him to do that.
Make sure it's consistent first.
That he does that before we do this.
Before you get me to. Yes, because I have been significantly more consistent than him.
Have you been though?
Yes.
Oh, also, it's gonna have to be a written warning.
Just
so that you can't say I have. Okay? I'm sorry, Ollie. This was my idea. And Tristan's.
Of course it was. The two who brought you, who criticized me for talking to our grandmother, saying that music is a gift to the world, saying that that's being pretentious, and then say that a song has too much reverb.
Oh no!
No. Pick one or the other. Either I'm being too pretentious, or that is way too pretentious.
What? I don't see how that song's got too much reverb is pretentious.
Okay, and yet you're saying that saying music is a gift is pretentious. Go look up the definition of pretentious, then get back to me. Yes, it is. It is, well, more than slightly chaotic. See, the definition of pretentious, he dropped it. There's no other way it could have broken, honestly. Well, either he broke it or he opened it up and pulled the battery cable out. Someone did, probably him. How's summer? Well, it's only gotten to 24 today, so not too bad. It's getting to 30 tomorrow. 33. Not likely. Considering it's inside the case, it's highly unlikely that a cat could have gotten in. And it's a bit big for him to have pushed off the table. Yeah, 33C. I always use metric. I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit, sorry. Sorry, Dante. I could do the conversion, but I'm lazy. And I've forgotten it. What's 33 degrees centigrade in Fahrenheit? So I'll just ask my phone.
1 sec. Working on that.
Yes, thank you.
Something went wrong. Please try
whatever.
again.
91, yeah. It's getting to that on Sunday. Around here, at least. Well, it gets to above 40 quite regularly too. Well, often in summer. Yeah. It gets to 40 fairly often in summer. So yeah, just waiting for the soldering iron to cool down while I pack everything up. 106. Yeah. Yeah. It can. Can also get... Yeah. Ads. Right. Lovely. Right, that's what that means, okay. Nothing to do with the stream, just a server that I'm on has had a new chat made called Fly Fits and something else. Which is, it's supposed to be a picture for outfits. Ah, yeah. Currently making matching profile pictures with some of your friends on Discord.
I will read you the definition of pretentious. Attempting to impress by affixing greater importance or merit to or something than actually.
Read. There's another definition which is which is using words to sound more knowledgeable in something than you are.
We know what reverb means.
Yes, but to the layman, someone's saying...
Reverb... Okay.
Yeah, someone's saying that there's too much...
What reverb means?
Someone who's saying that there's too much reverb would sound like they know a lot more about what they're saying than someone who's saying that music is a gift to the world.
Somebody...
Thank you. Thank you, Fear for Life. Dante, thank you. I'm just used to being able to ban people with with the mod icons, which annoys me when that it's not enabled by default when you're a mod. Yep, no. Still too hot. I wet my finger so I didn't burn myself. Meshy. They have definitely, they've definitely gotten longer, those messages, though. And I mean, anyone who wants to use them already would probably know about them. So I don't see why they advertise, really. And no, we're not going to be using them here. Not ever. Well, yeah, not now, not ever. Oh, don't cracking knuckles. There have been studies done which have shown that it's fine. But I take it you don't like it. I'm sorry, it's a bit of a habit. Kinda surprised no one's commented on the lack of my beanie. Someone's tried to find your IP on Modern Warfare 2. I don't know much about which company releases COD. I don't know much about their security. Yeah, you wouldn't notice. You don't notice that if someone has stolen it. Activision, yeah, I don't know much about it, but I can tell you it's better than Rockstar's security. As in, like, Rockstar, I mean, it's infamous. IP pulling is different, usually links. Right. Still, it's different, still. With Rockstar, if you go into their online, an online part of a Rockstar game, anyone else in your session can find your IP. And find it easily. At least on PC. It's significantly more difficult on console, so, yeah. And Red Dead Online as well. Actually, how are you going with learning the speedrun for GTA 5? It's illegal everywhere to do a lot of stuff. Yeah, it's cool enough. Don't melt it. It's illegal to do that sort of stuff in a lot of places. Yeah. Oh, wait, I need to put those away. Not just the US, is my point. Speedrunning GTA, yeah? How's that going? Is it? Haven't gotten around to it? Fair enough. It's fairly easy to learn, but harder on console. I talked to my friend who has done so on console. Yeah, fair enough. And she said to talk to, I think it was me AMV about it. Yeah. I'm not sure. He hasn't streamed in a while though, me AMV. Yeah, I don't know what. I think I'm following his channel. Yeah. Might finish up the stream. Found out sleep. I sleep and Luke follow. People is funny. Okay. Is anyone live who you'd like? No, I didn't get to fix it. I did not get to fix it. I don't think I'll be able to. It's because the wires bunched up together and I don't know which order they go in. Daughter? Yeah, I'll probably raid her. Unless someone has a better suggestion. Hmm? Is that right? Yeah, that's a good way to go about it. Anyway, yeah, I'll give Daughter a raid then. Now I'm not going to be able to stream until Tuesday at the earliest, probably. I've just got stuff happening this weekend and Monday. But I have quit, well, I've not yet quit my job, but I'm in the process of quitting it. If ever you have the chance, don't go to Grilled. That's true. Anyway. Yep. We'll go say hi to Daughter. Yeah. Yeah. See ya. And now time to pack